In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant error 168. Okay, so if you're receiving that error message while opening your Valorant application, then you're in the right place. First and foremost, you need to load the run command over here. By doing so, just come and tap on the start button here, okay? And then you can either search for the run application like that, and then you open it. If not, you can click or you can tap on your laptop and you tap on your keyboard and then tap on Windows R. So for my case, if I tap on Windows R, as you can see, the run will load up a bit, okay, like that. I can close this again, then I tap on Windows R and it loads up again. Okay, so you can choose any of that. After doing that, come and tap over here, okay, in the open source over here, and what you're going to do is simple. Type in the following. Type in control space panel. So you type in control panel over there, then click on OK. When you click on OK, of course the control panel will open up like that, okay? And when you come on the control panel, please kindly look for Windows Firewall, okay? If you can't see Windows Firewall, just come here in the category, okay? If you want, you can come on the search bar here, then search for, you can either search for it, firewall. Okay, so when you search for firewall, you see over here, this is a Windows Firewall. And in the Windows Firewall, you come and click on this option which says allow any application through Windows Firewall. So this means you're going to allow another application to access your PC passing through the firewall. Okay, so click on that. And for this case, you'll be allowing the Valorant application. So click on that. And quickly, I'll just make that wide, okay? So for this case, come and click on change settings. As you can see, the settings are already set by default. So what you come to do is to come and tap on change settings. When you tap on change settings, come here and tap on allow another application. So when you click on allow another application, it will open up your Windows over here and then click on browse. So when you click on browse, come here and then locate your Windows system over here and now locate the Valorant folder. Okay, so for this case, just come to this PC, then click over there, and for this case, this is my Valorant folder. And after that, just click on OK over here and then click on open, and then you'll have given it access and you'll have solved that problem very well. Okay, so that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again. And for those who are having issues, you can leave them in the comment section. I'll make another video for all that. Okay, thank you.